bud.
Feel like safe.
Happy. All right. Are you good? Need a break. Well, I'll get him out past the break a bit. Here we go. We'll get you back out with all your buddies. There's always a few that end up back on shore just because of the big waves, so we're going to get him back out a little farther. See if he can't get going. You gonna be okay? What's the matter? There you go, bud. You're just getting rocked. Come on. I want you to live as much as you do. Go, big guy. What's the matter? You're not letting go of my hand. You need to let go of my hand. There you go. Bye. There you go, bud. See you later. You're going out now. There you go. You got it. Swim, little buddy. You got it. You got it. Keep going. Good boy. You'll figure it out. Get out past this wave a bit. Oh, he's just fine. There he is. There we go. Over here anyways. Always tough when they're, some of them get washed up and we just kind of stick around after sunset, grab them as the tide's coming out and pick them up and walk them back out, or we'll throw them on our surfboards and we'll get them out past the break, and then that way they got a clean, clear shot. So, hi Spanky. Hi buddy. Hi bud. That's another night in the books. Another sunset here in Nicaragua on the Emerald Coast. Girlfriend's down, still looking for any last remaining baby turtles that have washed up. So, since they just put a bunch in the water, well, we usually just do a check as we're going down the beach when we come in from surfing, and because the surf and the waves will end up washing some of them in. So we usually grab them and we'll throw them on our board, or we'll swim them out, get them out past the break. But yeah, other than that, I think we're good. So yeah, stay tuned. You.